With GAT+, admins can view the number of emails sent and received by any or all users in their domain. They can then use GAT+ to schedule a report for a user's email exchanges. In this video, we'll show you how to schedule user email exchange reports. First, navigate to the Email Audit section. From there, select User Statistics at the top. Then select Summary Statistics. Now apply a filter. In the new window, change the type to Stats by Date Range and Users. Next, select the date range. For the org unit, leave a / symbol to select every user domain-wide and check the box for Include Sub-org. To select a specific OU or group of users, change this setting accordingly. Now check the Scheduled box. Next, choose the occurrence of this report. I'll select every weekend. Make sure the Enabled box is also checked. Then choose the recipient who will receive the report. Finally, click Apply and Schedule. The report will be generated and sent to the recipient specified in the settings every weekend, and will contain the report on the number of emails exchanged in the last week since the last report. That covers this GAT+ how-to. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this GAT Labs video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for regular updates. You can also get a free 15-day trial of GAT+ by following the link in the description.